What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. Alright, so actually, let me grab my box cutter. We're gonna do an unboxing here. And do an unboxing. I haven't actually done one out the box here in a little bit, but I got 2 boxes today. I'm only going to do one of them in this particular video, and I do not know which one is which. Boom. Boom. You see that white tape? So you know white tape comes from Nike. I'm trying to get a hint. I'm trying to get a hint as to which one it is, and there is no hint. So I guess the only way is to open the box and see. Hold on, what's this one? Is there a hint? Is there a hint? No hint. Alright, so 2 boxes. I don't know which one's which. I don't know what's in either of them. I mean, I know I ordered some stuff, but I don't know which box has what. So let's just get into it, man. First, before I get into that box, I got this today, and this came from T-Chip. T-Chip is a company that make t-shirts. I ordered a little something from them. So this is the first thing we're gonna go ahead and get into. If you can see my background, I got my room painted up and shoes are back in this area. My wife changed things up a bit. She wanted to make this room have like a sneaker corner. So instead of things being all around the room, all my shoes now are kind of in a corner here, or a majority of my shoes, I should say. So still working on it, still working on the presentation. If you want to see how the man cave looks in the end, leave a comment below and I'll make that happen. But this box from T-Chip, blue shirt. Let's see. Nothing else in there. Cool. Toss that. And this is, boom. It's a cap shirt with the fist there. Very dope. Actually, nothing on the back. It's in the cap that's in the NFL logo. I thought this was a dope shirt when I saw it, so I said, let me go ahead and scoop this up. Yeah, but again, this came from T-Chip. I'll try to remember the names. Nothing on the back, just that on the front. Very dope shirt. And put that up there. We'll put that up. Boom. No? Alright, we're gonna put it up there for now. So that's a very dope shirt. But here's for what you guys are here for. Let's go ahead and get into it. I think this is the top. That's the top. Yep. So this is the top. Boom. I don't know. I don't know which one this is. I know I ordered 2 shoes. I actually have 3 that were inbound. These are 2 of the 3. Shout out to the homie Traymar, the homie Trey. This is not what you think it is. So let's go ahead and open this up. Boom. And this is, even this don't say which one it is. Alright, we gonna play that game. I gotta open it all the way up to find out which box is which. Alright. Okay. Yes, sir. Let's get this out the way. As you can see, Mike box. Your Nike box. This is a nice feeling box, man. It's a different material. It's a special kind of box. It's very dope, man. You got your mic there with your green going around the bottom there. Very nice touch. And this is, oh, okay. Okay. So this one can get removed. Okay, I know which one it is now. Alright, So this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Gatorade. And the colorway is Blue Lagoon and Blue Lagoon. This is the one I wanted most out of the whole entire Gatorade pack. Ooh, open it up. Be Like Mike on the inside there. Very dope. The packaging, the presentation that they put on this one, very nice, man. Very dope. Oh man, I've watched numerous videos of other people do it and open this box up, but it's still nice that, you know, Gatorade towel comes with the Gatorade towel. Man, this is probably one of the better sneaker pickups that I've got. I'm stuttering. I'm excited. This is nice. Usually you buy your sneakers and you don't get all this extra stuff with it, so you just kind of like, oh, I got shoes. But this came with nice packaging. It came with extra, you know, a towel and all kind of good stuff. Special, you know, the water kind of paper on the inside there. And definitely the ones I prefer the most. I almost want to skip this part, but of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Man, these are dope. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That Blue Lagoon Gatorade Air Jordan Retro 1. Man, let me slide the light a little bit over. Man, these are incredible. They're incredible. Just when I saw these and I saw this colorway of them, I said, this is the one. This is the one I want out the pack. But I wound up getting two because I liked another one as well. But man, these are, oh, new Jordan smell. New Air Jordan 1. Excuse me, new Jordan 1 smell. Jordan 1s are the only ones that are like this. It's just have a special scent to them. But look at that. That leather quality on these is great. That is some good leather quality right there, man. And then you got your Nike Air on the front here. Nice leather on that. And then on the back, Be Like Mike on the back. On your inside there, you got your Gatorade insoles. Very dope touch, upside down. Very dope touch with the Gatorade on there. Oh man. You got your orange tips on the laces. Bam, boom, boom. And then comes with two extra pairs of laces. You got your white and you got your orange. These are dope, man. These are dope. Yo, my computer is down, so I can't do my Mac crashed. So I've been editing all my latest videos on my Pixelbook, which has been great. But I left all my Bret Hart stuff that I would edit into the videos on the Mac, so I can't do the Bret the Hitman Hart and all that stuff. But if I did have it, Bret the Hitman Hart Championship belt, kiss of approval for sure on these. You got your Gatorade bolt on the back there. Man, these are so dope, man. Godly. I'm real hype about these, man. And almost forgot the Gatorade on the bottom, as you all can see. Man, these are dope, man. I don't know why this colorway is still sitting, but this is dope, man. This is the way to start the year off right here, man. This is crazy, man. Wow. Yo, I really like these, man. I don't know if it's my Jordan 1 bias. I don't know if y'all can see. There's a good amount of Jordan 1s in here, but man, these are ridiculous, man. These are ridiculous. And this is the cool blue Gatorade. This is my favorite flavor of Gatorade. So when I saw these, I was like, you got to get them. You got to have them, man. But man, that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna hold you all up. Gatorade Blue Lagoon Jordan 1s, man. Definitely glad to have these. Well worth. Let me pull out the right one. That's how dope these are. That's how dope these are, that I'm gonna pull out the right one. Like, oh wow. And we got the Jordan wings. We got the Jordan wings hang tag and the Gatorade on the other side. Man, well done. Well done, Nike and Jordan brand. Well done on these boys right here, man. Glad I was able to cop and you know, get them at the price that I pay on these boys. Definitely glad. I guess you can say my next, you know, my last video, this video, my next video gonna be all Jordan 1s. So there's the spoiler alert. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. As you all know already, another video is on the way. So we'll get to that probably tomorrow. But anyway, I'll holler at you all in the next video. This cap shirt is dope too. Salute to Cap. Peace.